My name is John Paul. This song is about a tragedy, but don't worry, it was a real life tragedy, but everyone survived. This song is called Boscastle.
Just a quiet and peaceful village, just away from the busy lights. Never thrown into the spotlight as the river banks their fight.
Over to pick up the poor and the posh, and the country watches the horror as the clouds roll around in the watch. Facing fear and anguish, people feel there is no hope. Lower bridges lost, my friend. Look up, I'm afraid to roll. Big green bunches to the sandstorm, the casino back to the harbor. We look at the sight, she doesn't look back, my sister, you will live again. In the ocean, cause a harbor day and night. The Christmas fishing boats as they fill the briny night. The souls is breaks down and reveals the damage done. No lives have been sacrificed, only bricks and mold are gone. Some will come, some will go, and the stars are glad to see. Quiet and peaceful village just keeps amazing me. Don't live this one of friends, wash away the cobwebs of men. Close your eyes, sleep well tonight, so you will live again. Very much into a sandstorm, the casino right through the harbor. We look at the sight, you build love back, but so you will live again. Very much into a sandstorm, the casino right through the harbor. We look at the sight, you build love back, but so you will live again. Boscastle, 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 you will live again. Ain't much to the sandstone. You know, right through the harbor. Look outside. Look back. Boscastle, you will live again. Ain't much to the sandstone. The casino right through the harbor. Look outside. Look back. Boscastle, you will live again. 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 Boscastle, you will live again.
Oh, the experience was great. The stage is cool. The crowd are buzzing. Yeah, just come off stage and a lot of energy, a lot of passion. So yeah, it's good. It's good. Really cool.
Amazing. Now, the last 5 weeks it's sort of been a process where you've been surrounded with other artists.
Yeah.
How's that process been?
Journey for me, it's one of those things of discovery. So about kind of obviously like figuring out what everyone else is doing, but also at the same time just kind of like seeing where we are kind of like in each week going by. It's been really nice. It's been really cool. As a sort of seasoned sort of like musician, there's people who have never performed on stage before, so it's really cool to see everyone just jumping on. The energy is just there. It's fantastic.
Amazing. Now, for someone who might be looking to do this event in the future,
yeah.
What would you say to them?
Go for it, do it now. Because the thing is, one of these things you're going to do is you're going to have lots of practice. You're going to have practice in this room. You're going to have, the people by your side. Yeah, really worth doing.